better be quiet. You're filming, Missy.
Oh.
Caleb. She's not gonna do it.
William. Can I have a Rice Krispie? Better go eat your shit.
I'm surprised William's not jigging.
He is with his legs.
William.
Look at Mom. Look at Mom.
William. I can't jig.
Look at the phone.
Miss, you have to make a jig.
William. No. William. William.
Oh, dude, you're getting me filthy.
You are a filthy boy, son.
I forgot that if you put this in